Hello guys, we are from Untar who would like to present our products. So our product is called Neo Astro Shield Helmet or NASH. Before getting further, let us introduce member of our team. Our team members are Harry Wibowo, Binaya Halomo Wijaksono, Raffi Hardian, John Michael, and especially our supervisor, Mr. Sobron Lubris, STMT PhD. So let's get started. Okay, so Neo Astro Shield Helmet or NASH was designed for its mechanism to be protective gear, which protects user from viruses, especially COVID-19. Neo Astro Shield Helmet has a unique way of equipping, which can later be seen in the procedure of equipment, which usually protective gear that people use are masks. Whilst this is a helmet that is placed and has a shielded locking technique that eliminates all contact with outside of the helmet air. In order for this helmet to be safe and fit well, it is combined with a strap. Okay, next we are going to see the features of this helmet. This helmet is also equipped with two fans, which function is to regulate air circulation so the user will not feel cramped during usage. The first fan job is to suck in air, but of course there is an air filter to clean the dirty air, and the other fan is to exhaust the air. The other parts of the helmet, such as mobile power and Bluetooth speaker, can be used to the user's liking. The usage of the mobile supply is to power up other component of the shield. The battery and the speaker can be removed separately from the helmet. Okay, next one is the advantage of Neo Astro Shield Helmet. So the first thing is Astro Shield Helmet is a way more futuristic design for a protective gear. The second one is this helmet design and purpose is to be a better and safer protective gear against dirty air. For example, a virus that have been causing big casualties to people, which is COVID-19. The third one is Neo Astro Shield Helmet also gives a comfortable to use, adjustable size to the user comfortability. The fourth or the last is it comes with many features such as Bluetooth speaker to transmit voice of speaker inside helmet, and then two fan to absorb and rinse and exhaust the air inside helmet, and power bank to charge those features. Okay, that's all for the information of our products called Neo Astro Shield Helmet. So our team hope that this product will be a good innovation for the technology, especially in medical for human, so that human can live healthy than before. Okay, that's all for our presentation about this product. Thank you for the listening of our explanation, and see you on another time. Goodbye.